Want to know how to make $2,000 a day the lazy way? Get ready, because we're about to delve into 3 simple methods that can pad your pockets without breaking a sweat. Stick around to discover the secret to easy money. The first method to make $2,000 a day the lazy way is online trading. It's as simple as buying low and selling high. The key is understanding market trends, which isn't as daunting as it sounds. With an array of online resources and trading platforms, you can get started in no time. Remember, it's not about quick wins, but consistent gains. It's a learning curve, but one that can turn quite profitable. With patience and understanding, online trading can be your cash cow. The second method to fill your pockets the lazy way is affiliate marketing. Think of it as being a middleman, but online and with less hassle. You promote products or services from other companies on your platform and earn a commission for every purchase made through your referral link. The trick here is to choose the right products and platforms that resonate with your audience. No physical effort, just smart strategy. Affiliate marketing is the perfect blend of laziness and profitability. The third and final method to make $2,000 a day the lazy way is selling online courses. In a world that's constantly learning, there's a growing demand for online education. With a plethora of platforms available, you can create and sell courses on anything you're knowledgeable about. The secret is to find your niche, a subject you're passionate and informed about. You're not just selling a course, you're sharing wisdom. Turn your knowledge into your income with online courses. There you have it, 3 easy ways to make $2,000 a day the lazy way. We've explored online trading, affiliate marketing, and selling online courses. If you found these tips helpful, please subscribe, like, and share this video. Help us reach 10,000 subscribers for a free money giveaway. Don't forget to watch the video that pops up on the screen to learn about side hustles no one is talking about. Until next time, here's to your success.